So what do we have here today? We've got ourselves from Gemini, this is the GSW-T1500PK. It's their powered 15-inch party speaker. Now this is meant to go outside and be forgotten. Normally I'd say if you're not paying attention to your speaker outside, you should probably put a clear garbage bag over it. It turns out this one here is water resistant. So that means if it got rained on or splashed on from the pool, you're still going to be okay. Because it's built to take it. It's built to take that splash. It's built to take that rain. I'm not going to leave it outside for like 3 months straight during the summertime. But again, if it got a little wet, not in the pool submersible, not that kind of wet, but if it got splashed on, I wouldn't feel bad about it. So it's a party speaker, so it's got a 1500 watt rating. I'm not the watt police. It is very, very loud, and you should buy it because you want something that's loud. Don't buy this with the intention of running it at 10-15%. It won't sound great. It does have a lot of great functions to it, meaning the equalizer, the bass and treble settings. We can go to club, dance mode. We can have all these different settings. It works out really well. You even have a bass boost to it, which is really nice. Button right up on top here, and that's just going to kick up the bottom end, which again is really nice. But you do want to pump some volume into it. It is a 15-inch. It was meant to be a party speaker. It was meant to have fun with it. So if you're taking it to the beach, for sure, know you're going to be turning it up. The difference is if you keep it down low, you're going to hear the amplifier in the background. That's because it's just not turned up really loud, and the amplifier is hot and it's on all the time. It's ready to go. You control the digital volume with your phone or with the actual system on top. So these are all good things, and this is what normally happens with party speakers. So if you're looking for a speaker to crank up the volume on and it be rechargeable, this has a battery inside of it, and the battery works out really well. They say it goes up to 24 hours. Let's be realistic. If you're playing at 50%, you're probably going to get 8 hours out of it. To get the 24 hours, not just from this company, but from all these companies, you really got to keep the volume down low. A battery is no different than a tank of gas in your car. If you're racing it, you're not going to go very far. If you take it easy, you're going to go a long way. Same thing happens with the battery. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That's what we do on YouTube. And if you've got any comments, of course, leave them down below. If this video worked out for you, hit that like button. And if you'd like to see more content, hit that subscribe. Unlike a lot of companies who build speakers like this, they're actually putting the AC adapter on the outside. And it is a certified UL power supply, which makes me feel good because it's nice to see safety being put at good use. When it comes to the overall feature package in the speaker, you do get FM radio, you get Bluetooth, which we're going to demonstrate here in a second. You also get features like stereo link for the Bluetooth, which means you can hook up 2 speakers and have it in party mode, which is kind of awesome because again, 1 phone, 2 speakers in the backyard, all working at the same time. And they are one of the few companies to put their control panel in the front for you. So it's a nice waterproof control panel. Even whatever ports and plugs like the actual mic plug, the auxiliary, and the USB are hiding behind a big rubber cover. So a microphone does come included as part of the package, but the nice thing about the microphone is it's included. So if you're just looking for a little something fun, a little something that you need, you can use that. Any microphone will be better than a free microphone. I hate to say it, it's what I say with all the speakers that come with microphones. It's great that they come with included. It's nice. You don't have to buy one. If you forgot it, it's in the box. That's a good thing. Also comes with a stand. So this way you can, without having to spend an extra $40, $50, have a stand to put it on so you can set it up properly. That's also really important, and that's part of the package. So because the control panel's in the front, it also makes it a lot easier to operate. You can control the light features straight from the front. You can control all the Bluetooth and radio functions right from the front. You can control all the volume right from the front. Again, that is, look around. You will not find another PA speaker with a control panel in the front like this one. Now, where most of them are made out of a more of a plastic-based material, this is a little bit more rubber in its texture. It's a little different for that sense. It also has bigger rubbery wheels. It has a pull-out handle in the back. All these things are to give it a better, more rugged sense to the actual unit. Again, the power cord can attach and screw onto the back, and you also get a link option for plugging 2 speakers and being a cable off the back as well. They also include a pouch so you can put all your power supplies, all your little extras, maybe your phone, if you're like somewhere where you're not worried about leaving your phone inside your speaker. All that can be put in here for you. That's all part of the package. Nice to be said. And again, branding, they put their name around the actual speaker, and the handles are built recessed into the unit, so they're not sticking out, they're not going to get in the way. You can lay this on the floor and have it on a 45-degree angle. It'll give you even better bass response. That's really good if you're setting it up on a deck or next to a pool. If you're going to set it up for a whole backyard, definitely put it back on the actual stand. Ports are very cool because they are ported and the ports are at the bottom, but if you're worried about water getting into it, it's not going to happen, because what they do is the ports chase down the actual side, and when they get to the back, they turn upright. They go up, so this way if any water splashes in on the bottom, I mean, it literally would have to be in water 6 inches deep for water to make its way inside the speaker. So that's pretty impressive, and it can hold back the wind a little bit that way as well. Remember, big 15-inch plus the tweeter horn on top. Everything looks really, really sharp. So and there you go. That's the actual Gemini. That's the GSW-T1500PK. It used to be branded differently. It used to be branded under Alltech Lansing's name. I can say that because I don't work for Gemini, nor do I work for Alltech Lansing. This is just something I know, and this is something I'm sharing with you. So what we'll do now is we'll make sure the bass boost is on, which it is, and we're going to set the EQ. We're going to set the EQ to club mode. Wow, let's see what we got. We'll put it in club mode right there. And so there we go. If you're looking for a party speaker for your backyard or your rec room, somewhere where you like to really crank it up loud, that's it right there. Rechargeable. It's got that battery in it. It's got 15-inch driver. It's got some bass boost to it. It's going to sound awesome. So that is the Gemini GSW-T1500PK. Comes with the stand, comes with the microphone, comes with everything you see here. So I hope this video helped you out today in your buying decision. Maybe I'll see you in the next one. Like I say, thanks for watching, and bye for now.